Today we learn English alphabet. A, B, and C. A. A is for apple. B. B is for bird. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dolphin. E. E is for earth. F. F is for frog. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for heart. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for juice. K. K is for key. L. L is for leaf. M. M is for mouse. N. N is for notebook. O. O is for owl. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for ring. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tree. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yacht. Z. Z is for zebra. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye kids.